Come with us to London the weekend before Christmas. So we are checking into the Melia White House for the weekend, and it has such a Christmassy vibe. We are staying here, but we are going to venture out and about, and we are in the level this time. We have previously stayed here before, but we're trying something different this time. The level guests usually have a separate entrance round the back of the hotel. However, we decided to walk through the main lobby to show you from the front to the back of the hotel up to the level reception area and the lounge entrance as well. The level has its own check-in area, which is great because the hotel is big and the check-in in the normal queue can be quite long at times. Okay, so we've been given room 593 today, and that is a level family room. So we are going to take you in there and show you around. We're right at the end, I think. Yep, here we are. Okay, come with us. Wow, what a lovely room. So we have a vanity area there and a lovely single shower, a dressing area and a coffee machine, a lovely mirror. Get some pictures later. And here is the family room, and they will turn that sofa into a bed for us later on today. And let's have a look at the view just out to the front here. This is the level lounge. It is open for breakfast and also from midday for snacks and drinks. There is a selection of breads, butters, cheeses, fruits, oils, vinegars, pastes, and a huge selection of drinks too. What are you doing? Pick a mix. The fresh popcorn was a definite hit with Rion, especially with the cinnamon sugar to top it. In the lounge there's a huge selection of seats, and some with sockets where you can work from, but also some more comfortable chairs as well as some table and chairs to sit and enjoy your food. For drinks, there are wines, beers and soft drinks available. So in addition to the level lounge, where there is complimentary food and drinks, they also have a menu in here, and you can see there are some nice snacky bits, sharing boards and also mains and desserts. If you wanted to have a main meal in here, however, I think if you were just coming in for a light snack, there's plenty here. Here we are at the bar 35 and lounge. So we've just got back to our hotel room. We've got a lovely platter here for Rion and fruit for us. And it says a very warm welcome. We're delighted to have you with us again. We hope you enjoy your stay and have a wonderful time in London. Wow, isn't that lovely? There is a gym available at the hotel. It's open 24 hours a day and has a great selection of cardiovascular equipment as well as free weights and resistant weights. There is more than enough in the room to provide for an adequate workout, and we enjoyed it on Sunday morning as a family. Under 16s need to be supervised at all times. This is the level entrance, which is round the back of the hotel that I spoke about earlier, and it's a nice way to enter into the reception area and lounge. Breakfast was served in the level lounge from 7 until 11 on Sunday morning, and there was a huge array of food options available, from continental to full English, and also some Spanish options as well as fruits, yogurts, cereals, honeys, breads, and of course your mimosa and some fresh juices and smoothies as well. As you can imagine, it was quite hard to record this video because it was very busy when we went for breakfast, but hopefully you can see the options available in the level lounge. The hotel is really well situated for London. On the Sunday morning, we set out from the hotel and had a run through Regent's Park, over the bridge at the Regent Canal, and then up Primrose Hill for the early morning sunrise over London. The views were magnificent and made that run all the worthwhile for seeing these incredible views. After we checked out from the hotel, we headed to see lots of the Christmas decorations and lights. First up was Covent Garden, where we meandered around the market and then watched some street performers in the main square by the Christmas tree, and it was so perfectly timed. At the end, the snow machine started to release some snow. At 2:35 we did the Hidden London tour of the disused underground at Charing Cross. We certainly learned a lot, and it was great to see areas where films have been produced, such as James Bond Skyfall. This was part of a package with afternoon tea at the Claremont after the tour, and this was a festive afternoon tea with sandwiches, liver pate, scones, cream jam, pigs in blankets, and also some festive mini pastries and cakes. So that's a wrap of our weekend in London before Christmas. We hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got any other questions or would like to know more about the hotel, please get in touch.